It's a
This
question.
movie control one.
FCB. This one, right?
Yes. This one.
So guys, we can take the credit of this one. We can take the credit, and I would.
No, but for PALL, the demand comes when there is no proper recirculation is not properly happening. If this is happening, then the PALL demand will not come.
Ultimately, Ananta, if there is something goes wrong at pump suction, so PAL will come, FAL will come, and this will try to open the recirculation valve, and this will ensure that pump doesn't starve. So this is the safety mode. So we have to take credit of this FCV. This is design mode. This is design intention.
Yeah, the design intent to this one, but so that the PALL will not occur. To avoid the trip, we are recirculating,
yes,
right?
Yes. So that is why we're saying that. Assume that PL is not there. So that means if PL is not there, can I protect my pump? The answer is yes.
No, but we don't have any flow.
Gentlemen, you have to. PALL is not there. You want to protect the pump against the low pressure. Be specific. The cause is low pressure.
Yeah.
The low pressure, if it is there, this recirculation valve will not protect.
I would say that if
what is the cause? What is the cause here is the complete low pressure, right? Or the MOV closure. Or MOV closure.
No. First, we are saying that upstream system failure. Let us go cause by cause. So our first cause is upstream system failure.
Yeah. In that case, yes, recirculation
yes,
will
we can
come
take.
in this one.
Yeah, we can take. So I would say that FAL. What is FCV number? FCV number, please.
1011 02. 101102. FCV.
Right. Yeah.
101102.
Go on recirculation mode. So this is BPCS. I would put BPCS operator.
Here, we have to be careful when we put IPL. Any IPL, then the tags should not have a common mode failure. Example, say this flow control valve FT and then this PT should not be on the same IO card.
Yeah, it is not same IO card.
Yeah, I mean they have to ensure that while implementing it.
Yes, of course.
Any